Let's look at some simple interest problems, and the formula is A equals P times 1 plus RT, where P is the principal, R is the interest rate, T is the time, and A is the future value. It's pretty common that people mix up A and P. P is how much you start with, whether you're borrowing money or investing. A is how much you will end up with. So A is bigger than P since it's the result of your interest added to the principal. Remember always R is in decimal as a decimal for calculations. 7% for example would be 0.07, 10% 0.1 likewise. Time is always in years. If you have your time in months or weeks or any other time unit, you have to convert it into years because that's how the formula works. Here's an example. You need $8,000 in 4 years. How much do you need to invest today at 3.5% simple interest? So we know the kind of interest is 3.5%. The time is 4 years. Question is 8,000. Is it P or A? You see that you need it in 4 years, not right now. You're not starting with 8,000, you're ending up with 8,000. So that's your future value. So these are the labels I need to fill in. We are not given P, but we know what A is, and we know R as a decimal is 0.035 and T is 4 years. So next step, I need to substitute each of these values into the formula, and this is the result. 8,000 equals P times 1 plus 0.035 times 4. You will notice that in the simple interest formula, given any three unknowns, A, P, R or T, any three of them, you can solve for the fourth one because it becomes a linear equation. So simplifying, we get 8,000 equals 1.14 times P, and P is equal to 8,000 divided by 1.14, and you have to start with an investment of 7,017.54. You can always round it off to the nearest penny or even nearest dollar if it's a large amount.